I wasn't planning to do this, but this is part 3 of dealing with the storm. This is homestead life in Tennessee, and a lot of people are facing these storms tonight, and I've made 2 videos today. That's what I've spent most of the time doing, but there's a couple of things I have to do, and that is clean off this entire porch, flatten the furniture, etc. And we've got to go check on something that I have been not even thinking about, and I thought about it today and I almost fainted. So stay tuned. Now, supposedly, these are my, if you remember from last year, I grew the birdhouse gourds, and this is what they look like after the winter. They're really ugly, and Daryl has absolutely insisted that all of this washes off, and most of them will be without blemish. So we shall see. Not today, though. I brought these from California. I painted them in my driveway. Ouch. Don't do it that way. Okay, we have to go check on something because 2 to 4 inches more of rain is expected tonight. Nothing that didn't already have its roots firmly grabbing onto soil is probably going to have to be replanted, but let's go down and check on something. There isn't a thing I can do about it if there's water under the house, right? And 2 to 4 more inches. I won't sleep a wink if I look down there and there's water under the house. I can hear the sump pump kicking in for a minute, and I don't remember hearing that in months. There's poison ivy right beside Virginia creeper. They're companion plants. This thing is so hard to get on and off. I'm going to take a peek, see if I can do it without completely... Oh gosh, there's a lot of cobwebs right there. I'm thrilled. Hold on. I'm a little frazzled. Okay, look, that's all dry. We're looking through cobwebs, but look at that. That is dry concrete and plastic, I think. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, I see it. Look at the shadow of that spider on the floor. Can you see that? I don't know, wait. Right there. Come on. It moves away even though I'm not moving. Okay, never mind on the spider, all right? This is the wild strawberry. And look at this, I've never seen them this plump. The ones I see are tiny and they taste horrible. So I'm gonna grab these. Come on, focus, please. Here we go, look. Okay, let me get that other one. I think I stepped on one. Oh, there's several right here. And I could be very careful. Okay, look at that. And that to me looks like sawdust. Red sawdust. So that means something is eating on the back of this chair. Well, I didn't see anything like right down from there. It would have been this top thing here. Remember this morning the carpenter bee was, oh look, there's more down here. The carpenter bee was trying to bore a hole somehow into the cedar. You wouldn't think they'd go into cedar, but that is cedar. And so I didn't see any bee or anything, but I did find, when I looked under here, under this one, there was a wasp just starting to build an, ooh, there's the egg sac. I think that is the egg sac dangling there. You might see the shadow better than you see the actual egg sac. Let's see. Come on. Oh, my hands are just not big enough. Anyway, you get the idea. So that is, I think, the egg sac hanging. Oh, this homestead life. Whew. Okay, I'm just gonna try to pull this back with the plants on there. I know I should set them down, but if I do, they'll break. So I'm just gonna hope that, you know, back here there's a windbreak and they'll be okay. Because I got a lot of stuff sitting back here. I dumped this out this morning. Yeah. That was empty because it had algae on the bottom and I washed it out. This is my, remember when I planted this ginger? I got two little things coming up here. Aren't they cute? Can you see those? 1, 2. Love it. This is my kaffir lime. I was planning on just throwing it away, dropping it off in the forest. But then I thought, well, why not just leave it out here and see if it grows any. This is the erstwhile arugula. I think I put too many leaves, too many crushed leaves, and it just didn't come up. But see this, man, if that blows away, I would be very surprised. But I've never been in 70 to 80 mile-an-hour winds either. So, yesterday, I finally planted some moringa seeds. Very excited about that. Really, I am going in any second. I just thought, if I can get this is my good tree, and these are so heavy. That's not heavy. If I can get this back here, a little bit more windbreak on that, probably be okay. I mean, what would I know? But anyway, let's go in. Wow. You know, these storms really take it out of you. I wanted to clean house. Oh. Let me clarify. No one wants to clean house. yeah, so from 6 to 10, it's this bad thing, and then after midnight, it's another bad thing. So I'm going to see how it goes, and maybe I'll be under the stairs tonight. Certainly I'll be under the stairs if there's a tornado warning. But anyway, oh, what a relief. That was 2 discoveries. This is what I love about life, about gardening, about plants, about homesteading, is you have surprises. And it was such a wonderful surprise to see that under my house is dry. But I used to always be able to hear that thing kick in, and I haven't heard that in a long time. So it just seized me when I thought of that earlier today. I thought, oh no, with all of these days of rain, can you imagine? Well, I can imagine, because I've seen a foot of standing water under there. Now that's the lowest corner, so it wouldn't be everywhere, but it would be over there, yeah, for sure, at least a foot. So that's a huge relief. And then those strawberries, because the ones I see are like, maybe they only get plumped up when there's lots of rain. This room I'm going to tackle very soon, as soon as we get past this crisis period, and I'm going to have to get a lot of stuff replanted. I'm going to have to replant a lot of stuff. So that's what's going on for now, and I'll see you later. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try to follow my life here on the homestead, and if that's of interest to you, I hope you'll subscribe and share with a friend. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that are on their own now, and a lot of people like me still want to have a big garden and a big place and security and be prepared. So those are the things I cover. Of course, I've got my 4 cats. My senior is now 19. I'm going to do a special video. Since I've been here, I haven't gone through any of my photography. I have years and years, 10, 12, 15 years of photography, negatives and books and portfolios and boxes of negatives and proof sheets, and oh my goodness. I could spend an entire 6 months just going through all that and be perfectly happy. But I have to garden. Hi. Well, that was interesting. It must have there's so much electromagnetic energy in a storm like that, that I just feel, wow. Anyway, it was right over, it was the tornado was circulating over the top of me, but thank God it didn't touch down. So I've got a severe thunderstorm now, lightning, and 4 inches of rain. There won't be much garden left. So it's a good thing I've got all these plants inside. The replacements are ready. Oh my gosh, I just had one of those tomatoes literally is 2 feet, leggy 2 feet. Anyway, I need some food, and that was a little nerve-wracking, and I was quickly texting everyone, and my phone was dying and my power's out. But I have a generator. Last time I needed my generator, it didn't work. So I'm so grateful that it's working now. So I don't know if I should cook when I'm this frazzled, and also when I'm having lightning and thunder. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know what happened. I was under the stairs with my helmet, my old ski helmet on. Lyndon is just sitting over there like, you know, it's dinner time. It's past dinner time. So, but she's half deaf, so she might not have even picked up on anything. I got to go check on the other three though. They're out in the garage. So we've got another round of this at midnight tonight, so I'm gonna stop this video here and then I'll pick it up with whatever else happens. Thank you for your prayers. God bless you. See ya.